Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to update Zoom on your iPad in 2025. Whether you're gearing up for virtual meetings, classes, or catch-ups with friends, keeping your Zoom app updated ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. It's quick, easy, and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life. This is key because updates require an internet connection and might take a bit to download. Now, unlock your iPad and head to the App Store. You can find it on your home screen. It's that blue icon with a white A. Once you're in the App Store, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to your account page, where you'll see any available updates. Scroll down to the Upcoming Updates or Updates section. If Zoom is listed there, simply tap the Update button next to it. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the bottom of the screen to type in Zoom and hit search. When you find the Zoom app in the search results, tap on it and then hit the Update button if it's available. Your iPad will now download and install the latest version. Sit tight, as this could take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll get a notification, and you can open the app to verify. Pro tip: if the update isn't showing up, try restarting your iPad or checking for iPad OS updates in your Settings app under General Software Update. This can sometimes resolve glitches. Also, remember that updating regularly keeps your app running smoothly and protects your privacy. And there you have it. Your Zoom app is now up to date and ready for action in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.